Hi, I'm Asia from bflex, and today I'll show you how to use the BF Metallic series to create bold customizations with a refined, eye-catching look. BF Metallic is a heat transfer vinyl series designed for fashion-focused applications. Its metallic and pearlescent finish adds a distinctive shine and elegance to any project. Available in a variety of colors, it's ideal for designs that aim to enhance brightness and visual appeal. This vinyl isn't just a stylish choice, it's also incredibly versatile. It can be applied to cotton, synthetic, blended fabrics, and even delicate ones like organza. Easy to cut and weed, these films can be used on their own for striking, high-impact projects or combined with other bflex heat transfer vinyls. However, for multicolor or multi-layer designs, it's essential to apply BF Metallic as the final layer to protect its delicate finish. Let's now create a t-shirt using 3 Gimme 5 films, finished with a touch of shine from BF Metallic Blue. We start by weeding the pre-cut design pieces. Then, we set the heat press to 140 degrees Celsius with a medium pressure. Press the t-shirt first to remove moisture and wrinkles. This step is key to ensuring proper adhesion. Now press each Gimme 5 color for 4 seconds at 140 degrees Celsius. Then, place the BF Metallic Blue as the final layer to preserve its metallic finish. Press at 140 degrees Celsius for 12 seconds and peel hot. Our t-shirt is ready, featuring a beautiful contrast between the soft tones of the Gimme 5 series and the sophisticated shine of BF Metallic Blue. This combination creates a unique and striking piece, perfect for the fashion world and for anyone who wants to stand out with modern, stylish details. To keep your project looking its best, wait at least 12 hours before first washing, and always turn the garment inside out and use a delicate cycle at 40 degrees Celsius. Thanks to the BF Metallic series, every project comes to life with a touch of elegance and shine. I can't wait to see what you'll create with these amazing films. So follow us on social media and don't forget to share your most creative ideas with us. Bye!